If you're not making an additional 5K per month on the side, then keep watching this video. What I'm about to show you is completely beginner friendly. You don't need any technical skills and you don't need following to become successful at this. You only need about 1 to 3 hours a day to get it set up and keep it going. And don't worry, this is never going to be saturated because 99% of people have already scrolled past this video anyway. This is called freelance digital marketing, and Forbes has already announced this year that it's going to be one of the highest paying jobs in 2023. First, you're going to choose a topic or a niche. Next, you're going to go to digitstore24.com, click on marketplace. This is one of these topics. You're going to find tons of options to choose from. I'm going to go with internet marketing and e-business. Once you picked up a product you want to promote, you're going to go to this blue button. You're going to click on it. It's going to give you your affiliate link. That link is super important because that's how companies know how much to pay you. In my opinion, the best products to promote are high ticket products, which are products that will pay you 1,000 plus in commissions. The reason why I said this is because it takes the same amount of time and effort to promote high ticket products and low ticket products. Finally, once you've got your affiliate link, all you have to do is create content on social media around whatever you're promoting. This is how you get people interested and eventually buy from your affiliate link. I've already created an ebook where it's going to teach you how to find the products, which products to promote, where do you promote them, so please make sure you download it and read it for yourself. It's absolutely for free, so you don't have to go to Google and YouTube and waste your time. If you want to get your own copy, all you have to do is just find the link in my